As the cases climb, we're still seeing a larger number of cases in Washington and Marion counties here in Oregon. Well, tonight we've learned 2 staff members at the Marion County Jail have tested positive. The jail now working to make sure people in custody will be in individual cells, and a member of the Silverton Police Department is confirmed now with the virus. We also wanted to know more about why Marion County is seeing so many cases. Our Lisa Balick has that story tonight from Salem.
Marion County, by size, is the 5th largest county in the state of Oregon, close to 350,000 people. But right now, it's showing the 2nd highest number of cases of the virus.
The tests that we report, the negative test and the positive test, are just the tip of the iceberg.
Almost a month ago, Marion County identified its first confirmed case of COVID-19, one of the earlier cases discovered in Oregon, right behind Washington County. As of this afternoon, there are 164 confirmed cases and 4 deaths in Marion County. 4 deaths also in Washington County and 211 positive cases. In fact, Washington County is where the first person confirmed with the virus lives. While Marion County is smaller than the Portland metro area counties, health leaders here believe the high numbers could be from an early number of cases reported in Marion County. Perhaps more time early on for the virus to spread before people knew they had it. I asked state health experts about this today at their news conference.
Many of our early cases were based on what we call community spread, meaning we don't know where they got it. And so that indicates that it had been circulating in the state of Oregon before we picked up that first case. And so, yes, I mean, that is possible that it's spreading in that community.
The expectation is that Marion and Washington County's leads are temporary. In fact, Multnomah County today, with 160 positive cases, almost as many as Marion County. Those numbers all expected to climb as testing is now occurring more frequently. But state health experts say the virus is still spreading by people who have few or no symptoms, often during the time between when they first acquire the virus, eventually are tested, and then get results, all of which could be a matter of weeks. Health experts today again made the plea for people to practice social distancing. They say it's the best way to try and control the spread of the virus. In Salem, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.